I don't know what is happening here, but V10 cannot pass this point. It will not. Trust me. It will not pass this point. This is the final boss up of V10 until it comes to somewhere around this bottom. Hello guys, Trade Guru here. So I'm going to be spotting different points in the market where the price will get to and move in a certain direction, in a definite direction. I'm going to be doing it on the 1 minute time frame. You can do it on any time frame you like, maybe the higher time frame if you're the swing trader, but I want to show you guys on the 1 minute time frame so we can do it faster. Let's get into the video so you guys can see the miracle I'm talking about. Let's go. And right now you can see where V50 is right now on this particular point here. Now I don't want to focus on this whole movement of V50 upward. I want to focus on what is happening currently with V50, right? So you can see V50 is currently trying to come down, goes up here and breaks this support zone here. Now V50 is going to be coming down. Now if I want to sell this V50, I'm going to wait. This is a 1 minute time frame. It's going to be scalping. I'm not going to sell V50 because I came and met it selling. Do you know where I'm going to place a sell on V50? I'm going to place a sell on V50 somewhere here, right? So now you will see what's going to happen when V50 gets to that point. Now listen, it's not just because there is a support here. It's far from that. So I can tell you the reason why V50 is going to get to this zone and start coming down. It's not because of this point. It's just a support or a support zone somewhere around this point. It's far from that. There are very keen reasons why V50 will get to that point and start coming down, right? So we are on that zone right now, somewhere around this point here. V50 should hit that zone and start coming down. So good, we hit the zone and see what V50 is going to do right now. You can see V50 is on its way down. There's a reason V50 got to that point and it is going to come down. By all means, trust me. Now imagine if you're trading the 5 minutes, if you're trading this time frame for a scalping and you already know about that point and V50 starts coming down. Do you know how much you can put there and make a lot of money just trading on that very particular pot? So this is how we take these trades, guys. Now there is a way to take profit of these trades, but I just want to show you guys how the market responds to these very accurate points. I'm going to go into different parts of the market to show you guys something that will change this secret will change your trading, right? So guys, I'm going to be teaching this. If you want me to teach you how to trade this type of thing, you can message me. My number is in the description of this channel and you can message me. I'm going to teach you guys how to trade like this. It's very accurate. So let's go and find something else and see if we can trade these V50. Remember, I'm just using this for a scalping. If this was a higher time frame, you can understand how this move is going to make you a lot of money. If you took a scalp here, you would probably hold the trade all the way to this 100% fib, or maybe you want to hold the trade down. But it's just to understand how the market responds to very accurate points. We're going to go to other charts to see how the market has been responding to this point. All right, guys, so I came and made this particular trade. This is V10-1S, and this is where V10 is right now, right? I can tell you with all guarantee, V10 is not going to pass this particular point where it is. It will come down from here. You see, I wanted to do this video very fast before it happens so you can see what I'm talking about. V10 cannot pass this point before getting to somewhere around this place. If you're going to take a scalp from here on V10, you must hit your take profit maybe somewhere around here. Now I'm using scalping, I'm using 1 minute time frame just to tell you the accuracy of how this trading works, even on larger time frames where you can earn a lot of money. Now listen guys, I don't know what is happening here, but V10 cannot pass this point. It will not. Trust me, it will not pass this point. This is the final boss up of V10 until it comes to somewhere around this bottom, right? And how I usually like to take these particular take profit in this type of trade is using the what they call it a Fibonacci. Somewhere around this point you get a 61 Fibonacci and you take it out. I'm just going to wait so that you can see how V10 is going to come to somewhere around this point. It is not going to pass this point. It must drop down to this point. So let's hold on and see what happens. Now I'm going to show you guys. I'm just going to keep this video on so you can see that this will happen. All right, And so guys, you can see what I'm talking about. V10 must get to this point before even thinking of doing anything. V10 can still begin to run down, but usually you can take your profit around this point, your first take profit, and you can try to hold for more take profit downwards if you have the energy. But I'm telling you, V10 must get to this point before thinking of anything. Now, it is not about whether I'm trying to tell you guys something. It is the confidence I'm using to tell you. I said V10 cannot pass this point. It cannot. Reason, you should be asking me, how do I know that? Now listen guys, I'm going to show you guys other examples where I'm telling you with accurate fact. You know, most of the times if you check my signal group, I call out signals with accurate precision, with confidence. I can tell you to put everything you have on this particular trade. And I'm showing you guys on live right now how this happens. And I'm using the 1 minute time frame because it can be faster. I don't want to wait hours just to prove something to you guys. Now this is how this trading works. It must happen. Right guys, so you can see how the market is already going down. Now I'm going to show you guys a few more examples and we'll call it a wrap. If you want to learn how to trade like this, my number is on the description of this channel. Contact me, or you can come to my inbox and message me. All right guys, so I'm going to show you guys a few more examples and that'll be all for now. All right guys, so this is V251S. I'm happy I opened this chart very early. Now listen, this is the highest point V25 is going to get to. This particular point, V25 cannot get above this point. Now I just opened the chart right now and it was just directly at the point. Now I'm telling you that this point, with all certainty, it's impossible for V25 to go above this point, right? It can range around this line, but this is the maximum line is going to get to. Now imagine if I know this with all certainty, how much do you think I'm going to put here? I'm showing you guys the reasoning. I'm showing you guys how this works. Now, how I'd like to come out of this type of trade, like I told you guys, is to draw my Fibonacci and come out somewhere around the 61 Fibonacci. But I'm just trying to show you guys the confidence which I have that V25 is not going above this line before hitting my 61 Fibonacci somewhere around the side. So I'm going to hold this trade here just so you can see that it is impossible for V25 to go above those lines. Now when I say above those lines, I don't mean a candle wick cannot just come a little bit above. I mean closing above, and you know, a candle still closing above. So we're going to see how V25 is just going to be around this point and drop down to somewhere around the 61 Fibonacci, somewhere around this point. Now I'm going to hold this trade so we can see this together. And so guys, you can see what's happening in V251S right now. I told you guys with all certainty that V251S cannot go above this line before dropping down all the way down to somewhere around our 61 Fibonacci. And you can see what V251S is doing. Now, it's not about getting a right trade. I want you to picture the confidence I'm using to tell you it will not do that. Do you know how much I make if I want to put a trade on this? I make money at will and at ease, right? So guys, this is what I call a breakthrough in synthetic indices. I can literally, if you've been on my channel, you will see how I call these trades with pinpoint accuracy. You can invest your whole full lot size on it. You must get your profit. All right guys, so if you want to learn how to trade like this, if you want me to mentor you on how to trade, message me on my inbox and I'm going to teach you guys how to trade. You can be very profitable in trading, and I'm showing you guys on live trade so you can see how this works. It's not about spotting the trade or maybe I got a good trade. The reason why you use low lot size is because you are not really sure of what is going to happen. And now I can tell you with absolute certainty that this is going to happen in the market. What is the lot size you can use to place that particular trade? This is Trade Guru. There's a reason I'm called Trade Guru. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.